That's one of the songs we're going to do. Also, Come Jesus Come by Stephen Wertler.
Circumstances possibly change who I forever am in you. Maybe since my life has changed, long before these rainy days, it's never really to turn my back on you, oh Lord. Shelter from the storm, but instead I draw closer through this time. So I pray, bring me joy, bring me peace, bring the chance to be free, bring me anything that brings you glory. And I know there'll be days brings me pain, but if that's what it takes to praise you, Jesus, bring the rain. I'm yours regardless of the clouds that may loom above, because you are much greater than is the Lord God Almighty.
Thank you. There may be commercials, but let's go to the other song. Beautiful song called Come Jesus Come. There we go. I love this one.
I can knees and pray. Come, Jesus, come. Let today be the day. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna break, but I'm holding on to a hope that won't fade. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. Deep down I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come. There'll be no war, and there'll be no change when Jesus comes. Let today be the day. He'll come for the weak and the strong just the same, and all will believe in the power of His name. And come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. Deep down I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come. One day you'll come and we'll stand face to face. Come and lay it all down, 'cause it might be today. The time is right now. There's no need to wait. Your past will be washed by rivers of grace. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. Deep down I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come.